Hi, Cornerstone kids. We sure miss you. And on your in-kind for the week, there is some science experiments, and one of them is how to make lava. You're going to need baking soda, and this is a really big box, but you don't need that much. And we have white vinegar, and you can use the apple cider vinegar too, and food coloring, which makes it even more fun. I like to see it explode. And so you're going to take a measuring spoon and just put some in your cup. I'm going to do 4 of them here, different colors. And then we're going to use some vinegar. And before I do the vinegar, I'm going to put some food coloring in each one. Now, I'd be asking you which ones. My kids usually pick blue first. Put a few drops. And we're going to do a drop of yellow in here. And we're going to do some green. And we're going to do red. And then I'm going to put some vinegar in this little cup. And you can use an eyedropper, you can use a spray bottle. This is the quickest way to make it explode. So I'm going to put this vinegar into the baking soda and watch what happens. Woo! Let's see if we can make this one go all the way over the top. There it goes. Here's the green. Let me get a little more vinegar in my cup. Let's see what we can make this last one do. There it goes. That's what we like the best. We like to see the lava go over in the cup. There it goes. Sometimes you have to put a little more vinegar in to get that to explode. Woo! Isn't that fun? I like the messes. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this. Nancy and I really miss you guys and hope to see you back before the end of the year. So stay healthy and safe and have fun doing your in-kind. And parents, take a picture of them while they're doing this and send them to us. See you.